Every time we flip a switch, we spark life and ignite new possibilities. We open new doors, fueling endless motion. Because energy is the silent force behind everything we do, every single day. Today, the Provincial Electricity Authority takes a bold step into the future. From a traditional electricity provider to a digital platform where technology is transforming how we access and manage energy. Now, energy is no longer just in the wires, it's in our hands. PEA is building true connectivity across all sectors, empowering clean energy, enabling a more sustainable life for everyone. PEA moves forward by opening up the digital infrastructure of future energy. Now, the public sector, private companies, local communities, and consumers can access and utilize clean energy transparently through innovation and two leading platforms. TPA Platform, a central system enabling safe, secure access to PEA's power grid by third parties. And the Energy Trading Platform, an open marketplace for clean energy that welcomes everyone. The TPA Platform, or Third-Party Access Platform, is a centralized system that lets businesses, energy producers, and organizations connect to PEA's grid safely, legally, and transparently. With real-time data, it enables contract verification, energy management, and fee calculation, all under a unified, nationwide standard. Secured by world-class digital systems. Now active under the ERC Sandbox program, TPA is unlocking full access and paving the way for direct PPA. A major leap toward an open, inclusive energy system. With an open grid in place, the next step is a truly accessible clean energy marketplace. Introducing the Energy Trading Platform, where buyers and sellers can trade electricity directly at mutually agreed prices. The platform matches trades and connects with the TPA system, ensuring every transaction is safe, transparent, and fair. ETP represents a new form of central energy marketplace, accessible to everyone on equal terms. Already in a pilot phase under the ERC Sandbox, this platform is developed in collaboration with PTT Public Company Limited. Together, these platforms form a new energy ecosystem for individuals and industries alike, powering Thailand's journey toward net zero. PEA is proud to open a new chapter in energy innovation, one that never stops evolving. We never stop moving forward because energy is the heartbeat of life and of the economy. Our duty is to build a system that is strong, transparent, and trustworthy. Powering lives, empowering the nation. Together, we move forward, growing alongside the nation, guided by PEA's vision, smart energy for better life and sustainability.